So, welcome back everybody to the Dam City channel on YouTube. And I'm so proud today to be able to talk to so many top 10 rankers, top 15 rankers from the Dams Institute. And I'm so happy that we could be a part of their journey. Next up, we are going to talk to Dr. Saurabh. Dr. Saurabh Singh has been a DAM student from his second prof itself, and he has now gotten a rank 6 in the INICT, which is such a fantabulous rank. So, without wasting time, I'll get on stage. The man of the day, the man of the match, Dr. Saurabh. Tell me, Saurabh, how are you feeling today?
Sir, I'm feeling very good. Sir, I couldn't even believe right now that I have scored this much rank. Sir, I've
So, when you
checked
saw,
it multiple times. I couldn't believe it.
कैसा लगा जब रिजल्ट पहली बार देखा और आज जब इंटरव्यू भी दे रहे हैं, अब कैसा मतलब लग रहा है कि यार ये तो मैंने सोचा था करूंगा, पहुंच गया?
बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. On the top of the world.
Yes, great. So, Saurabh, tell me about your journey. You have been a Maulana Azad Medical College, my own college student, and I'm so proud to see a Maulanian here. So, please tell me, like, how does this journey begin? And please tell out, like, what were your aspirations in second year? How was your DAMS experience? And then how has been your overall preparation?
So I joined DAMS in the second year as a pre-foundation student. So, so in the second prof itself, DAMS taught us the first and second prof subjects, and the teaching was very much conceptual. The notes were very much they were very good, and they came very handy during the preparation during internship and the later stage of the study. So it was a very good experience.
And but tell me, like, during the classes and in your from pre-foundation year, foundation year, were you making notes? And
Yes,
were that notes useful in later on revision?
definitely, sir. And I was only studying notes in the later part of my preparation, in the internship, in the final year. So definitely notes were the core part of my study.
Do you recommend future aspirants to make notes in the classes themselves so that it is easy to revise later on?
Definitely, so the live classes are you hear and you write it. So there is hand and mind coordination. So it also helps you retain better. Even if you don't revise it for maybe for a very long time, you retain it somehow in your subconscious. So I think so definitely writing notes is very much
I think,
important.
one thing that we have seen common in all toppers today is that all of them had a habit of making their own notes. So that kind of tells us that how important it is. And Saurabh ne bhi bataya कि when you're making notes, your brain and hand and everything is coordinating. And that is so easy to revise later on. How many times were you able to revise, Saurabh?
So maybe two times, three times. So I would revise it, not in toto, but some skater parts. So I was not able to revise the subjects in toto. I would revise it in parts.
Please tell us more about that and how you were able to make those parts. Like which part should I revise and what was your strategy?
So that by giving GTs, I could make out which topics were more weak. So I worked on that. So like micro was very big in the beginning, ortho was weak. So I worked on those subjects and I improved in those subjects.
Okay, Saurabh, also I want to know from your side that, what was the strategy like you were giving grand test, is class test, like what was your ranks in those tests and what was your strategy after the test?
Sir, that's the biggest thing. That the most difficult part after the giving the test is to review it. So I think that is the most challenging part. So I couldn't I couldn't review all the questions, but I would try to do as much I can. So sir, I would more focus on the wrong questions and the unattempted ones, and make the note of it, which were my weak areas, and then work on it.
And Saurabh, I also want to know from you, like, how did you utilize the revision resources that we have, like DVT, AIMS capsule?
So DBT was definitely was very much important the last phase of the studies. So before the November INICT, I only did the DBTs, and this time I also did a revision of the DBTs, slides and notes.
Do you think that the questions that we ask in our tests and in our TNDs are of good standard, and they challenge your thinking process?
Definitely, sir, definitely. So the most of the questions were the repeat topics. So we'll get to know which were the topics which are the examiner mostly asked in this exam. So definitely, sir, the GPs were important, very much important to my preparation.
So, like, in addition to the, you attended your classes from second prof onwards, you made notes, you did the TND, you gave the grand test, DVT, AIMS capsule. Did you also utilize the previous paper solutions that are there on eMedico's app, and how
Yes,
important they are for the INICT? Please tell the listeners as well.
it was very much important. And this year, INICT itself, there are many repeat questions. So definitely, sir, those previous year questions are must do before at least INICT. They're very much important.
And talking about the INICT exam, can you help us to analyze the paper? Like, what kind of paper was this year's exam? Was it like any particular topics that you felt कि ये ज़्यादा पूछे, कम पूछे? How many did you attempt? Please help us with the analysis.
The overall the paper was very much balanced, so, and it was a typical INICT paper. There were questions on molecular techniques, and so it was. So I revised those topics before the exam, and those questions were there, which I revised just a week before. So it was a typical INICT. It was of moderate level, and so I attempted 198 question.
So, Saurabh, can you go a bit deeper into it? Like you said, कि before the exam, you revised the important topics. Can you tell us what are the important topics for the November INICT for if somebody is listening to you today and wants to learn from it?
So the path is very much important. The path, the molecular techniques, and the short subjects are very much important. So, and revising the COVID and the oxygen therapy, I revised it before the exam, and the questions were there on and oxygen therapy and molecular techniques.
And I think that would be important even for the
I'm
NEET PG
very
also.
happy to see those questions in the exam.
Yeah. I think this would remain important for the NEET PG as well. I think the COVID and the oxygen therapy would remain important, I think, for the entire year. And talking of COVID, in between, the entire of your preparation must have taken a hit because of the pandemic, lockdowns, delay in the exam. How did you manage your mindset during this difficult times?
It was definitely difficult time that we are going through, and when the classes were not happening around the March, so it was very difficult to listen on the app. So, but we made it through. And
So, Saurabh, and can I ask you a question on like how do you manage your mindset? Like कैसे अपने आप को मोटिवेटेड रखते हैं, मतलब इतना मुश्किल होगा, बीच में अप्स एंड डाउन आएंगे, कैसे मैनेज किया ये सब?
so you have to believe in yourself. You have to trust yourself that whatever you are doing is you are doing right, and you have to go forward no matter what. So I think you have to believe in yourself. Like, okay, you
And
can do it even if you are on your down phase, but you have to believe in yourself. Like, okay, I can do it.
were there any moments in the entire scenario where maybe your family members pitched in के नहीं कर लेगा, या friend circle, anybody you felt was vital to this journey?
Yes, definitely. My parents were very much supportive during this journey. The friends, definitely they would obviously motivate to okay go. So yes, definitely it was a part of the they were the part of the journey.
आई थिंक इतना मुश्किल जो कभी कभी जैसे ये डिले हो रहा था एग्जाम और सब हो रहा था, तो कभी ऐसा लगता था यार ये डिले क्यों हो रहा है बार बार, या मतलब यार लगता था कि नहीं और रिवाइज कर लूंगा, मतलब कैसे करते थे, डिले को कैसे मैनेज करते थे?
थोड़ा तो मतलब होता ही था सर कि मतलब एग्जाम डिले हो रहा है और आप प्रिपेयर कर रहे थे अपने टाइम से, तो सर उसमें बुरा तो लग रहा था कि एग्ज़ाम डिले हो रहा है, आपको कंसिस्टेंटली मतलब उस पर सब लोग पढ़ रहे हैं तो आपको ये पढ़ना ही है. It was, I think, difficult times when the exams were getting postponed.
And now I'll invite one of your teachers to say congratulations to you. I think Dr. Deepthi is around. I'll ask her if she can just say a quick few words to you. Dr. Deepthi, please. And are your parents around?
No, sir, they are waiting.
Okay, no problems.
Hi, Saurabh. Heartiest congratulations.
Hi, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Hi, finally reaching to the top ranks. Hannah, much awaited.
Definitely unbelievable for me.
This is great. This is great, Saurabh. है ना? Saurabh, मुझे ये बताओ कि now that you've secured this rank and you've been with us for a long time, तो बड़ी देर से मेहनत कर रहे हैं. So what helped you persist, Saurabh? आप second prof से you are with us from pre-foundation year, right? So how did you sort of build the momentum and how did you persist to reach to this great rank?
Ma'am, definitely the goal was there in my mind to, okay, I have to reach it there. So,
Which branch do you want to take, sir?
and obviously the teachers were always around. I could message them. I could ask my doubts.
Great. Or Saurabh, what branch do you want to pursue, beta?
I think general medicine.
General medicine. That's great. That's great.
So now definitely, Saurabh, you will get general medicine from AIMS Delhi. And satisfied and happy now?
So I'm on the top of the world. I'm very much happy.
That's wonderful. You absolutely deserve it. और सौरभ कुछ message तेरे juniors के लिए they would really want to listen to you on if I say what are the 3 most important ingredients to get you here, what would you say they are?
I think, ma'am, you have to believe in yourself, and you have to choose the right guidance and the right material to reach it. And that definitely DAMS was a big contribution to my journey.
And
I think you've done a lot of hard work, Hannah Saurabh, and you absolutely deserve to be on the top. So once again, heartiest congratulations from the entire DAMS family.
we wish you the best always, and God bless you. And I'm sure we will hear more about Saurabh in future as well when he will top the DM entrance exams, and when even further when he'll become a great doctor. Heartiest congratulations, beta.
Thank you,
We
sir.
will make a quick V sign together. Yes, I
Great.
great, beta. Best of luck, beta. Bye, beta. God bless you. Congratulations.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Bye, bye.